Welcome back, and now we're gonna solve the last two problems in this video. So let's start off with the first one, y equals 1 and y equals x. So this problem is pretty simple. The first one is y equals 1, so that means that that there's just a straight line through 1. Let's do it. Let's go. Straight line, straight through 1. Okay? Little dot there. Okay? And then y equals x. So basically that's just y equals the slope of up 1 over 1. 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 Just like that. I'm going to put a line through it. Okay, so where do they intersect? Well, if you look and you see that they both intersect at 1, 1. And if you input that, 1 does equal 1 and 1 does equal 1. So both of them end up to be true if this is the right thing. Okay, so let's do this next problem. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1, and then y equals 1/3 x minus 3. Let's get our graph back up here. Okay, and really quick, I don't know why it doesn't have these things here. Should have that and that. Okay, so negative 1/3 x plus 1. So our y-intercept is 1. Yeah, I should have done it in a different color, but and then negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3. And so your line should sort of look something a little like that, okay? Okay, and then y equals 1/3 x minus 3. So our slope intercept is 1, 2, 3. Right here, 1, 2, 3. And then up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. Okay, so that's our place where they intersect, right here, and that place is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, negative 2, 6, it's supposed to be a 6, 6, negative 2. Gonna do it slow. Okay. That doesn't look good at all, but this is being stubborn. There we go. 6, negative 2. And I don't have a calculator, but if you do the math and you see that negative 1/3 times 6 plus 1 does in fact equal negative 2, and 1/3 times 6 minus 3 does equal negative 2. So this does in fact turn out to be the right answer. So that's basically sums up how to solve systems of equations by graphing. We did one with the slope that's written out, one that's just x, which basically just means 1, and then one that just has a straight line through it. So this is a pretty easy concept, but once you start to get into harder equations, you just can't use graphing. It would take way too long, and so that's why if you come back in the next video, we're going to show how to use different methods to solve different systems of equations. So why don't you come on back, and there's a different video, again 2 parts, with 3 other problems that explains how to use different other methods to solve systems of equations. So come on back. Bye.